What's up, everybody? It's Chase from the night sky, and welcome to another Hot Wheels unboxing and review video. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. And let's go ahead and unbox this Hot Wheels car. Alright guys, here is the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. And this is the recolor. And the color is MetalFlake Arctic White, and it looks really amazing. The Koenigsegg Jesko is a hypercar designed by Christian von Koenigsegg, slated to be introduced in 2020. Designed as a successor to the Agera, the Jesko is designed to be a high-performance track car and is named after von Koenigsegg's father, Jesko von Koenigsegg. The car features a new 5.0 L flat plane twin turbocharged V8 mated to a 9-speed multi-clutch transmission. The car can produce between 1,200 to 600 horsepower depending on the fuel used. And the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko was a new casting for Hot Wheels in 2020, and honestly, I thought the Koenigsegg Jesko looked amazing. And a lot of people were talking about the Koenigsegg Jesko. And honestly, I was with them. Alright, so here's the Koenigsegg Jesko. The color is MetalFlake Arctic White. And last year, the debut series that the Koenigsegg Jesko was in was Hot Wheels Exotics. And for this year, it's in Hot Wheels Torque. And let's look how awesome the Koenigsegg looks. It looks amazing. So the lights look absolutely amazing. The Koenigsegg logo is in the middle. And also you can see that it's MetalFlake Arctic White. And we also have a lime green line right here. And that looks absolutely incredible. And we also got the wing right here. It looks absolutely incredible. And also we have two gray stripes right on the top of the car. It looks absolutely incredible. And the back looks pretty nice too. And everything about the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko looks absolutely incredible. And this is one of my favorite Hot Wheels cars that were new castings for 2020. Alright guys, so that wraps up this unboxing and review video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.